against Chattahoochee Avenue over there to the across. There's a Mexican restaurant right up there. It's supposed to be so good. I think I've eaten there once, and it was good, but I wouldn't say it was great. I wish we could get to the City of Atlanta Park that is an old reservoir. Well, it's a reservoir now. It's an old quarry. And it filled up with water, and now the city's made a park and a reservoir for the water supply. And with all this new housing, all the taxes, everything that's going on in Atlanta, as much money as Atlanta is taking in, for the life of me, I don't know why they got to have such bad streets. Other than corruption, I guess I need to be quiet. Gas here is what, $2.20, looks like $2.23. I think I paid $2.15 for it a while ago, or yesterday, I mean. And that would have been out in Armurchie. Come on, nobody wants to sit here at this red light. $2.29. This is Northwest Atlanta. The large CSX rail yard is over to our right behind all this stuff. We got 4 lanes here. We got somebody behind me. I don't know why in the world they don't want to come around. Yeah, wildlife management area roads and national forest roads. Just the gravel roads are better than Atlanta streets. Get gas, check the gas pump, see how much state tax is paid on every gallon of gas. I don't know what the city would get of that, but all the taxes the city has, all this new construction, the permits, the fees, the fines. There is an answer to why the streets are so bad, but there's no excuse for it. I'll just leave it at that. Axe throwing, if any of y'all like axe throwing, I have seen some really fine crafted throwing axes. I saw one that I wanted bad. It was $500. We're going to turn left up here. We'll go by the old King Plow Plant, which is now more of a artist commune and all that kind of stuff. Going this way, we would have to double back to pick up the site of the surrender, where Atlanta was surrendered to Union forces September 2nd, 1862. Haven't decided whether we're going to double back and do that or not yet. I still don't know where I'm going to end up. Whether I'm going to head back this afternoon or whether I'm going to venture out further. I meant to leave sooner this morning, but it didn't happen. Not messed up when you drive through Atlanta. It will be when you get on the outside, the other side of it. Here's the old King Plow Factory. Parked up here. I don't know. I don't think parking is allowed. It must be broke down. Little red Mercedes. Look at all of this residential, folks. Taxes, the permit fees, everything that was paid to the city. Look at all this new stuff. And the roads are a boondoggle. Back on it, I don't think we have to double back. We'll go right by it. I'll point it out. I doubt we'll be able to stop. All this new stuff, all the permit fees, taxes, fines. Sales tax dollars. Okay, right up here at this next red light, on the right-hand side, they moved these markers every now and then. It was on the left, it was on the right, it moved it to the left, and now they moved it back to the right. Is the place that Atlanta was surrendered to the Union forces September 2nd, 1864. Let's get us a picture of that. And it's right here on the corner of North Side and Marietta Street. Bridge does not have a construction date on it, unless it's covered up by the guardrails. All this new construction out here, folks. Northwest Atlanta is being developed, redeveloped. Big money has come to Northwest Atlanta. We'll see if we can go across the Peterson Street Bridge. I think it is 1936, I believe. I'm not sure. If we were to go left here, that would be North Avenue. That takes us right by that little trade school on North Avenue. It'd take us by the Varsity. Take us by the BOA Tower. We got Mercedes-Benz coming up on the left. There again, all this used to be public housing. It's torn down, and now all this stuff is new stuff. I don't know what they've done with the people that lived in public housing. They pushed them out somewhere. I don't know if there's anything going on at Mercedes-Benz. It must be. Yeah, there's a lot of people headed there. I don't know what it is. World Congress Center and Mercedes-Benz are on the left. They'd have a marquee telling what it is, but I guess they figure everybody should know what it is. Yeah, but that's at the World Congress Center. I don't see anything going on at Mercedes-Benz. Trying to get you some video and pictures of some of the graffiti here shortly. Paschal's restaurant. An awful lot of political decisions are made in there. An awful lot of handshaking and backslapping.